Hello guys, what's good? This is Said Raza. So today we are going to be talking about openings in wall. This is pretty simple. Let's say if you select the wall and draw a wall, any size you want. We are looking in the plan now. What I'm going to do, either you can go to any elevation to edit it, or you can go 3D. Usually I recommend to go 3D because we have a better view and a clearer view. This is, let's say, our wall. Doesn't matter what's the size of the wall, length, width, height doesn't really matter. So once you select the wall, Revit is going to give you a few options what to do with the wall. Either you want to curve it, either you want to make an offset, mirror it, or rotate it, change the size. But we are focusing more on wall opening. This is wall opening. You select the wall opening, you can cut it from any size you want. You see the blue line here, let me zoom in a little bit. So these blue lines show that this is going to be the cut in the wall. Doesn't matter what's the width of the wall. You can make horizontal, you can make vertical cuttings, whatever you want. But let's say if I want to make a shape in a wall, uh, maybe a circle, maybe pentagon, hexagon, I'm going to press Ctrl Z 3 times, select the wall, and edit profile. Once you go edit profile, Revit is going to give you a bunch of other options to modify the walls basically. Let's say if you want to make a circle in the wall, uh, here we go. There's a circle and different shapes, pentagon, hexagon, or rectangular shape, or any shape you want you can cut in the wall. In this example, I'm going to be cutting, let's say, something in 145 degrees, 151, or it doesn't really matter whatever angle. This is just an example. Press OK, and here we go. These are the cuts that you just made in the wall. This is pretty simple. The main part is to make a cut in the wall which is curved. I'm going to delete my wall and go back to my level 1. Select the wall, make a curved wall. Let's see, this is my curved wall. Go back to my 3D and check. If you just want to make a vertical or horizontal cut, it's as simple as the straight wall. You go to wall opening and then select any point you want and then make a cut. Here we go. If you want to extend it, just select the cut part and then extend the arrow. You can adjust the height or the width of the cut. But what if you want to make it in an angle? Control Z. Okay, this is my wall. If you want to make it in an angle, you can just simply cut the wall like I showed you in a straight wall. Here, Revit does not give me an option to cut the wall any angle I want. For example, let me make another wall real quick, which is going to be a straight wall. Here we go. If I click on the straight wall, Revit gives me an option to edit profile. But if I click on the curved wall, Revit does not give me an option to edit profile. If I click on it, nothing is going to happen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a wide form inside the wall. Let's get started. You go to your component, model in place, scroll all the way down to walls, press OK. Let's say you call it open. Press OK. Here we go. This is the option for making a wide form inside the wall. Doesn't matter what's the thickness of the wall. It could be 7 inches, it could be 8 inches, it could be 12 inches. It could be made of any material. In Revit, you can make wide forms. So you go all the way down to wide swept blend. Pay close attention here. You pick a path. When you pick a path, it matters. Some people say it doesn't matter, but I say it matters if you want to go interior or exterior. This is what I mean. Here's interior. You see the blue line? Let me zoom in a little bit. See the blue line? It's interior. If I go exterior a little bit, I can go exterior. It does matter if you go interior or exterior. Usually I go interior. Pick a path. This is a path. I'll tell you in a second what path means. You pick a path. Here we go. Revit gives you 2 dots, 2 points, 2 destination points. For the sake of example, I would call it destination. This is the first destination and this is the second destination. Press OK. Alright. You go to modify swept blend, select profile 1, edit profile. You see this got blurred a little bit, which means that you cannot work on this part. You work on the left side part. Let's say I call it destination 1. If the thickness of the wall is, let's say, 7 inches, you make a thickness of 7 inches. Go according to the wall. You go select rectangular because you selected edit profile, and select this point, and according to the thickness of the wall you go all the way up to like 3/4 of the height of the wall. Click on it, press OK. You see the blue line here. Here we go. This is the blue line. I'll explain you in a second what does blue line mean. You go back to swept blend, you select the second profile, go to edit profile and select the rectangular shape again, and this time you select the path which is slightly smaller, let's say half of the wall. Press OK. Alright, come back, press again, and you see there's a line created here. You want to, let's say, eliminate the lower part. Go to cut tool, cut geometry, click on it, and click on top one. Here we go. This is how your wall is going to be looking like. What if you want to make a void form inside the wall? Control Z to do undo. Press escape, press the void form again, edit swept blend, go to profile 1, select your first destination. This is your profile 1, the blue part. Select it, edit profile, make the rectangular smaller. Here we go. Press OK, and go back to your profile 2, edit profile, zoom in a little bit, make the rectangular shape smaller, press OK, press OK again, and you see this is how your cut's going to be looking like. Make a geometrical cut. I'm sorry, it's not happening. I don't know why. Here we go. This is how your cut is going to be looking like. What if you want to make it inside the wall? Let me Control Z again. Select the path that you just edited, edit swept blend, go to profile 1, and then drag this dot, this little dot that you see, drag it to the back. For some reason it's not happening, I'm not sure why. Let me go to another view. Maybe I have to select the path. Sorry, my bad. Select profile 1. Now you should be able to drag it back. Profile 1, pick path, go to pick path, and then drag it to the back. Drag this dot. See, Revit is going along the path because we picked up path ourselves. We did not sketch it. Go back and then pick this point, go a little back, slightly back, wherever you want, press OK. And you see your void form is going to be from here to here. You cut the geometry. Here we go. This is how your model is going to look like. Let me see it from another angle. Here we go. This is how your wall is going to look like. If you have any question, please make a comment and I should be able to answer. Thank you. Have a good one.